Right now, somewhere in the world, someone has been awake for 3 full days. Their heart is still beating, their body is still standing, but inside their brain, something terrifying is happening. After just 24 hours without sleep, your brain starts making a decision you won't even notice, and it could cost you your life. But to understand why, we need to start at the very beginning. Your body runs on a 24-hour internal clock called the circadian rhythm. It's controlled by a tiny cluster of about 20,000 neurons in your hypothalamus called the suprachiasmatic nucleus. Every evening, this cluster signals your pineal gland to release melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to shut down. But when you ignore that signal, things start to go wrong. By hour 16 of wakefulness, your brain accumulates a substance called adenosine. Think of adenosine as cellular exhaust. The longer you're awake, the more it builds up, creating that heavy feeling of sleepiness. By hour 20, your cognitive performance drops to levels comparable to someone who is legally drunk. Your reaction time slows, your judgment weakens, and your prefrontal cortex, the part responsible for decision-making, begins to go quiet. By the second day without sleep, your body enters full crisis mode. Cortisol, the stress hormone, spikes to dangerous levels. Your blood pressure rises, your immune system weakens. A landmark study from the University of Chicago found that after just 2 nights without sleep, participants produced fewer than half the normal antibodies in response to a flu vaccine. Meanwhile, your brain starts experiencing microsleeps, involuntary episodes lasting 1 to 30 seconds where your brain shuts down without your permission. During a microsleep, you are functionally unconscious. Your eyes may be open, you might even be driving, but your brain has completely checked out. But here's what most people don't know. Your brain doesn't just get tired, it starts to eat itself. In 2017, neuroscientist Michel Bellesi discovered something disturbing. During normal sleep, your brain activates cells called astrocytes that clean up worn-out synapses, like pruning dead branches off a tree. But when you're sleep-deprived, this process goes into overdrive. The astrocytes become aggressive, destroying healthy synapses too. And another type of cell, microglial cells, the brain's immune system, also becomes hyperactive. Chronic microglial activation has been linked to Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Your brain is literally digesting itself to compensate for the maintenance you denied it. By 72 hours, the human mind begins to fracture. The most documented symptom is hallucinations, visual, auditory, and even tactile. You may see things that aren't there, hear voices, or feel insects crawling on your skin. Your prefrontal cortex is now nearly offline. Your amygdala, the brain's fear center, has taken over. A study by Matthew Walker at UC Berkeley found that sleep-deprived brains showed a 60% increase in amygdala reactivity. Without sleep, you lose the ability to distinguish real threats from imagined ones. Your body temperature drops. Your metabolism slows. Speech becomes slurred. Complex thoughts become nearly impossible. The good news? Most of this damage is reversible if you sleep. 1 or 2 full nights of recovery sleep can restore most cognitive function. Your adenosine clears. Your cortisol normalizes. Your astrocytes return to gentle pruning. But chronic sleep deprivation, losing even 1 to 2 hours per night over weeks, creates a cumulative deficit your body cannot fully repay. Your brain is the most complex structure in the known universe. 86 billion neurons, over 100 trillion connections. And every single night it asks you for just one thing: rest. So tonight, give it what it needs. If this video changed how you think about sleep, subscribe and hit the bell. Next week we explore what happens when you drink nothing but water for 30 days.